Hi everybody, it's Chef Martin from ThermoWorks, and today I'm going to show you one way to cook tri-tip perfectly. Tri-tip has become a very popular cut of meat, and with good reason. However, it can be difficult to cook tri-tip properly. Because of the shape of the tri-tip, where it gets narrow near the edges and kind of tapers off, it's really easy to overcook portions of the tri-tip. Today we want to talk about one way you can overcome that difficulty and get edge-to-edge pinkness across the whole tri-tip. One great way to overcome this overcooking is to actually sous vide your tri-tip. By putting it in a controlled water bath with a controlled temperature, you can cook it to an exact temperature all the way through. Once we season the tri-tip, we'll put it in a bag, vacuum seal it, and it'll be ready to go in the sous vide bath. It's important, even though we're cooking sous vide, to use a thermometer. This will tell us when our internal temperature actually gets up to where we want it to be. And we don't want to leave this food in the temperature danger zone, which this bath will be in, for too long. So we can't just leave it all day. We're going to set the temperature for 133 degrees, and when it gets there, we'll take it out. Now that our tri-tip has come up to temp, we can take it out of the sous vide bath. Next, we're going to give it a chill on the outside by putting it in an ice bath for just a couple of minutes. We need just a couple of millimeters on the outside to get relatively cold to create a thermal barrier so that when we sear the tri-tip, it won't cook through that and make the meat brown. We're going to put the tri-tip on a preheated grill over direct heat. We just want to cook it until there's nice grill marks and some sear on there. We don't need to take the temperature because we know that it was cooked to temp in the sous vide bath. Those sear marks look great to me. We're going to pull it off. What we end up with when we do this is juicy, beautiful, rosy red meat that is beefy and delicious. By using the sous vide and then an ice bath before we sear, we've ended up with edge-to-edge pinkness across the whole piece of meat. It's really fantastic, it's juicy, it's ready to go just the way you want it to be every time. That's what thermal thinking can do for you. I hope you enjoy what you've seen here today. I hope that you've learned something. If so, please consider subscribing. Until next time, thank you so much. From me, Chef Martin, and everyone here at ThermoWorks, happy cooking.